Hi friends, my name is Ajay Kumar. Today I will give brief description about the life. And what is life? The unpredictable thing will happen. That is the life. So here we have to see four-letter word life. L-I-F-E. Among these four letters, you have to see only letter L. So you have to see only letter L. So here L, starting from here to here straight line. So suddenly it will take U-turn. Means in life also like that only. The people are thinking my life is so happy and my life is so fascinated. Like that, so many people are thinking. They don't know what is happening tomorrow. They are feeling very happy, and suddenly it will take U-turn. Means unimaginable things will happen. So when before unimaginable things will happen, you are be strong and be happy now. So if in case the things will not happen also, you have to be strong. Okay, that is the life that will give good experience to you, good hope to you, and positive mindset to you. And one thing, life is a game of chess. Every moment is important, and life is a uh, one time offer. It is use it well, and life is a short, make it sweet. Okay, and especially the entire life, it will depends on yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Our life is completely rotating on three things only. Okay, and from these three things we have to learn so many things. And yesterday is experience, and today is experiment, and tomorrow is expectation, and yesterday is memory, and today is god of gift, and tomorrow is imagination. Okay, then after that, yesterday is cancelled check, and today is ready to cash, and tomorrow is promissory note. So in these three prospect, the major role it will take today. Today is very very important. Whatever things will be there, and whatever in your mindset, the today is it will take major role. You have to use this day in very well manner. So that thing will give you good life to you. Okay, then after that, coming to here god. Okay, god. So in devotionally, what is the god? God means G, generator, and O is operator, and D is destroyer. And coming to in our prospect, and G means generator. Generator means our parents, and operator means teacher, and destroyer means our thoughts, our negative thoughts, our regretting thoughts. So in these three things, generator, operator, and destroyer. Generator our parents, operator teacher, and destroyer our thoughts. Okay, destroyer means our negative thoughts. Okay, in these three things, the middle of the letter operator, teacher is very important. Why? Life is a teacher. Life is a teacher. How it will teach her? Life always give experience. Experience is called as teacher. Our experience is the best teacher in our life. Okay, that will help us to grow higher levels. That will take you in from I mean that experience give you good result definitely. Okay, experience is precious, very very precious. Okay, and here we have to see in life the first letter word is L. L means, first of all, you have to refers to the leader and love. In this leader you have to see leader. Okay, a country wants leader, a state wants leader, a organization wants leader. Okay, and a class wants leader. Okay, In this leader, we have to see these four letters L-E-D, lead. Okay, lead means forward. Lead. First of all, you have to lead yourself. At any situations, in bad situation or good situation, you have to lead yourself. Then definitely your life become a successful. Okay, first of all, you have to lead yourself, and then after that, in any prospect, in any situation, you become a lead only in either bad situation or good situation. Okay, that is very important. And I am writing second thing is love. And first of all, love yourself and share your love and caring to the society. And share your love means kindness, happiness. So that is very important in life. Okay, so that is very important. Okay, you don't stuck at one notion. Okay, then second thing is I means intense interest. Intense interest is very important. Somebody is thinking, I am studying very well, but this is not fit for my degree. Like that, there are so many nowadays people are thinking. Don't think like that. Whatever job you are doing, the job having a bit proficient, the profile having proficient, good proficiency, you have to, whatever job you are doing, it's what not a matter, you have to give 100% efforts to this job. Then definitely will become a one, you will get a one good position. Okay, that is very important. The basic, the fundamental thing is, whatever job you are doing, you have to give 100%. That is very important. And create intense interest yourself. Then definitely the intense interest will give you good result, whatever it may be. Okay. And second thing is integrity. Why I am going to write here integrity means, integrity is very important in anybody life. Integrity is very important. Integrity, it is a uh, it is very taking place very major role. And dedication, determination, discipline, dream, desire, all the things will depends on integrity only. So integrity have that much efficiency. Okay, so integrity is very more important. So you have to improve yourself like that. Okay, and third thing is F. So F means I am writing here failure, and second thing is focusing. And failure, each and everybody nowadays, youngsters and so many people are facing failures, and so many people are failing like anything. They are give up. So giving up is not a correct answer. It's not a correct option also. Failure is nothing but your mistakes. Your mistakes. You know one thing, a loser or a discourteous person learn lesson from own mistakes. But a wise man, a clever person, learn mistake from others. A person mistakes learn from others, the person is always successful. So what I am going to telling here means, uh, in our history, so many failure persons will be there. You have to read failure stories. You will be get the good thoughts in your mind. What I am going to do and what is the situation. So what I am suggesting you people means, you have to read the failure lessons. That is very important in your life. You have to read the failure stories in your life. That is very important. Okay, and failure means, then after that I am writing focusing. In anybody life, the failure gives focusing in nature. The failure will give the strength to your life. Okay, the failure is very focusing and very narrow mind. Your concentration levels are increasing on your work. So that is the efficiency of the failure, and that is the stuff of the failure. And each and everybody, including Abdul Kalam, Einstein, Albert Einstein, and so many people are in still stage only failure persons only. If person is failure, and nowadays people are telling this person is not fit for that position, like that they are telling, that is not correct. Yourself, you have to increase your strengthen your knowledge, your potentiality levels. That will give the good result definitely in your life. And third thing is the earn and experience. Earn means in your life you have to earn the people's love, you have to earn the people's and you have to earn humanity, and you have to earn how to lead the society. And that earnable things you have to extend to the others. You have to extend what you want to extend means love, care, humanity, and in the and we have to give extent to others. We have to everyone. Okay. And third thing is experience. In your life, in your entire your life, each and every moment will give experience to you. So that experience is very important in future. Okay, that thing is very important. Experience is very important. Okay, that is uh, very precious experience. Okay. And throughout the brief description, life I'm giving a brief description about life. And life may offer sometimes hurdles and stumbling blocks. Okay. So from this situation, use these as a stepping stones to your success. Okay. And this is about life. So in any situation, and be happy. In society, so many handicapped people will be there. They are very happy and they are doing very wonderful things in society. Okay, those peoples are also very spirit in nature, and we have all the things, but we are sleeping more. We are not thinking about our future. So our India development is depends on us only. We have to fight for anything. We have to be work hard. Okay, and this will be very helpful to you and your family, your country. Okay, the country developments depends on youngsters only. Youngsters means us. Okay, whatever you are doing, give your best. Then definitely one final results will come. Okay, so life is very important. Why I am writing here means love. Love is great, but life is very important. When comparing to these two things, life is very important. When you are success in life, all the things will come. Money, love, food, respect, all the things will come. Only life is very important, and don't waste time, friends, and be work hard. And so in society, so many people are whispering behind you, and don't take it mind. You don't take it mind. Society will be like that only. And be happy. And thank you so much, friend, giving this golden opportunity. And bye bye.